all, I hope that you all are doing well. And guys, today I am again here with a new video. So guys, in today's video, I am going to try out some viral beauty hacks by 5Net Crafts. So guys, the hacks are looking very unique. So let's try them and let's see they work or not. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video, guys. Guys, in this hack, they have told us a very nice trick to make our nail polish dry. For that, first of all, you will need cold water, and then you can apply your nail polish on your nails, and then you have to put your fingers in cold water for 1 minute and your nail polish will become dry. So let's try this hack. So guys, here is the cold water and here I have set the timer of 1 minute. So now let's put the fingers inside the cold water and let's go. You have to wait for 1 minute. So guys, 1 minute done. Now let's see our nail polish become dried or not. So guys, now let's see the result of our first hack. So here are my fingers and I think it became dried. So yeah guys, this hack is working. My nail polish become dried. So guys, this hack is working and I will give it a 10 out of 10. So guys, now let's move on our second hack. Guys, in this hack they have told that how you can remove your nail polish. For that, first of all, you will need soap water and then you have to put your fingers in the soap water. Then you will need a lemon slice and you have to rub the lemon slice on the finger from which you want to remove the nail polish, and your nail polish will be removed. So let's try this hack. So guys, here is my soap water, and if you are thinking how I made it, so I have used 2 spoon Nivea shower gel to make it and I have mixed it in. And here is the lemon slice. So now we have to put our finger in the soap water. So here's my finger and we have to wait for some time. So let's wait. It had done. So I'm going to take out my finger and here's the lemon slice. So now let's rub it. So what is happening? I'm trying to remove it, but guys, nothing is happening. So guys, this hack is not working. Please guys, don't try this hack. So guys, this hack fails and I will give it a 0 out of 10. So guys, now let's move on our third hack. Guys, in this hack, first of all, they have put their lipstick on their hairs and then they have combed it. So it is looking like they have highlighted their hair. So let's try this hack. So guys, I'm all set to try the third hack. So guys, here is my lipstick and in this much my hair partition I will do this hack. So let's apply the lipstick on my hairs. So here is my lipstick and I'm going to apply it. So guys, I have applied the lipstick. Now let's comb it. So guys, this hack have highlighted my hair. You all can see. It is not that much visible on the camera, but guys, this hack have highlighted my hair. So guys, this hack is working, but guys, make sure whenever you are going to try this hack, so firstly try this hack at home and record the timing till what time your lipstick can be there on your hairs, and then you can try it again. So guys, this hack is working and for this hack I will give it 9 out of 10. So guys, now let's move on our fourth hack. Guys, in this hack they have told that how you can make your own lipstick. For that, first of all, you will need eyeshadow and Vaseline and then you have to mix them and your lipstick is ready. Now you can apply your lipstick. So let's try this hack. Lipstick and now I'm going to apply it on my lips and let's see it is working or not like lipstick. So let's apply it. So guys, I really love this hack result like you all can see here. So guys, this hack is working very nicely and I will give it 10 out of 10. So you should definitely try this hack. So now guys, let's move on our fifth hack. Guys, in this hack they have told that how you can remove your lipstick using baby cream. For that, first of all, you have to apply baby cream on your lipstick and then you have to wipe it so your lipstick will be removed. So let's try this hack. So guys, for trying the fifth hack, firstly I removed my DIY lipstick and then I applied liquid matte lipstick. So guys, let's try this hack and let's see it is working or not. So here is my baby cream. So let's apply it on our lipstick. So here I am going to apply it. So I think it is done. Let me apply a little more. Okay, so I think it is done, and this much cream is left. Anyways, leave it. And here is my tissue paper. So now let's see this hack works or not. So let's try to remove the lipstick. Let me apply this much also. That way it have removed it, but little bit is left. So yeah guys, this hack is working, like it have removed the lipstick. So guys, fifth hack is also working. So we will give it 10 out of 10. So guys, that much for today's video. If you like the video, then hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so that you can get all updates from my channel. And guys, don't forget to tell me what was your favorite hack. Guys, my favorite hack was DIY lipstick. Like guys, all hacks were good, but guys, DIY lipstick hack was awesome. तो मिलती हूँ मैं आपको अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय.